guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Schleich grooming kit. So this is a Quick Craft Friday, and this is a collaboration video with Jim's Bonanza Boy Braider. Link will hopefully be in the description. She is making a saddle pad and a breast collar, so definitely go check her video out. She's awesome. Just go there and just do it. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a grooming kit. So yeah, so it includes 2 polo wraps, some treats, 2 kinds of brushes, and a hoof pick. So let's get started, shall we? The materials you'll need for this tutorial will be So let's start with making this easy grooming box. Take a jumbo popsicle stick, cut off the end, measure 3 centimeters, and cut. Now you should have something like this. Now take a regular popsicle stick and line it around your just cut jumbo popsicle stick. Then glue them on like this. Then you should have something like this. Glue thread to the side, and you're done with the grooming box. Now let's make accessories. To make a brush, cut craft foam in an oval-like shape. Find a piece of Velcro. Glue the oval shape on and cut around it to make a soft brush. And you can also use the stiff part of the Velcro to make a hard brush. Then add on a ribbon to make a brush. To make a hoof pick, take a wire and pliers, and you want to bend it like right here, kind of like this, and bend it upwards like this. Then bend it in like this. Then grab with a flat-nosed pliers, grab right here and bend over like this to make a basic hoof pick. But you can always use colored paper clips and just score off the cover like right here and have the metal exposed, and you're good to go. To make treats, take a miniature plastic bag and cut out a square that's like including this part, just like this. So now I have the Ziploc part right here. Then seal the edge right here and here with tape. Cut up small cubes of craft foam, put them in your bag, and you're done. And you can add a label if you would like so. And last of all, glue beads together to look like different lotions and creams. You can also wrap a ribbon into a little tube and it will look like polo wraps. And you're done. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to help us reach the goal of 200 subscribers. We are so close. We're currently at 190, I believe. Yeah. And yeah, thank you guys so much for everything. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.